what are HubSpot marketing events? In essence, it's a CRM object. So just like contacts or deals. And what it allows you to do is understand who attended your event, who registered to your event, or who was a no-show to your event. And because it's a CRM object, it allows you to use this in things like segments, of course, workflows, lead scoring, and reporting. So it's a very powerful way for you to stop dealing with CSVs, give all of that information to your sales team, even show it on top of the contact so that you always know what is the event attendance, who is attending them, etc. How do you find your HubSpot marketing events? Let me show you. You go into HubSpot, of course, right here in marketing, and then under events. That's where you will find HubSpot marketing events. You got to make sure that the tool that you're using, in this case, a webinar tool, Contrast, actually works with HubSpot marketing events. Not all platforms do. So check the documentation, make sure that you have integrated, and then hopefully you will see your events here. So as you can see right here, I have a list of all of my events. I can see the name, I can see the date, I can see how many people registered, I can see how many people attended. This is real data from us. And you can also click into these, okay? So when you click into these, you will see that you get a lot more information regarding the event. So we see the total number of registrants, you see the attendees, and you see the no-shows. You can also see other information such as the status of the event, if it has been done or not, or if it's upcoming. You can see the description, you can see who's organizing it, you can see the type, right? You can see the date, you can see the URL. And like I said before, because marketing events is a CRM object, all of that information you can actually use, okay? So you can use something like, okay, the type of your marketing event, or who was the organizer. So you can use that maybe in a workflow, right? That is marketing events in a nutshell. It's important to know that you can also now use them in campaigns, okay? So HubSpot campaigns is the feature that allows you to set up a campaign. Webinars don't live in isolation of themselves, essentially. So typically what you can see, and if you're using campaigns the right way, is that you have things like a landing page for your webinar, right? You have promotion emails. So you can group all of these in a campaign, and then you can simply look at the campaign performance to understand, okay, what has been driving registrants? How do we take those registrants then and make sure that the nurture emails that we have set up drive value for the business as well? So check it out. I hope this was helpful. Check out the next video on marketing events if you want to learn more.